How well do you know your installed base? How well do you know what customers have got what product installed where and what age it is? Have you got service records? Nothing lasts forever, and checking your installation base and service records will highlight to you potential opportunities for upgrades in a way that will keep your customer operating. Have a look for what's approaching its use-by date or has been costing more recently to maintain. No news from a customer about a particular piece of plant is not necessarily good news. So build up a trade-in or replacement program with your customer in terms of a preventive maintenance program that keeps them going. It'll allow you to work closer with your customer and it will keep the competition out. Pretty simple, but I hope that works for you. Please feel free to like, share what we're doing here. And if you'd like more information, please jump on to practicalsalesacademy.com.